Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Destiny Unveiled Daily. How are you guys? This reading is for Sagittarius for 48 hours. Okay, 48 hours, it means today and tomorrow, right? Na-shuffle ko na lahat kasi I believe this would be a long video. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. Pero siguro, sige lang. Ganun talaga. Okay, by the way, I would like to remind you, if you can resonate this reading, please kindly subscribe and like this video para magkakaroon ka ng notification in the next day. Okay? Kung may mga bagong upload tayo, makikita nyo yung mga bagong upload natin. Alright? Sana magustuhan nyo itong reading ko. So, by the way, thank you very much for clicking this video. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, so we have the Sagittarius. You have the first card. You have the Knight of Wands. Okay, so this Knight of Wands, this is fire energy. So this is your energy, Sagittarius. Okay, so this is an energy of a brave. You're brave. You have the passion. Maybe you are passionate because this is your energy, Sagittarius. Maybe you are passionate today and tomorrow. Maybe within this week, you are very passionate. Mabilis kang kumilos, mabilis kang magdesisyon, matapang ka. Okay, you have the energy of the bravery. Bravery, the passionate, being passionate, at ang bilis mong magdesisyon, kumilos within 48 hours or within this week. Okay, so next you have the Queen of Wands. Dami mong wands. Your energy, still your energy, Sagittarius. Okay, so Queen of Wands is the card of confidence, leadership, and charm. Okay, so you have the confidence, the leadership, and the charm energy within 48 hours, Sagittarius. Okay, right? So, tapang mo ngayon. Ang ganda ng energy mo. Okay? So, the third card, you have the Ace of Swords. This is clarity. You have the clarity, the truth, and the new opportunity or the new idea offered by the universe. Okay? So, ang mensahe nito, may the Knights of Wands, you have may biglaan or exciting opportunity na kailangan mong sunggaban. Sunggaban mo ang bagong opportunity na darating sa'yo within 48 hours. And then the Queen of Wands, siya yung kaya mong magdala ng inspirasyon at respect sa ibang tao. Oo naman, yung mga Sagittarius, we all know that Sagittarius is also respectful, and in vice versa, they want you respect too, or else bantay ka. Bantay ka kay Sagittarius. Lalapain ka niyan. Alright, my mom is a Sagittarius. Hello, mama. Alright. Lalapain ka talaga. Ang tapang ng mother ko, she's a Sagittarius. Natapang na hindi naman naging sundalo. Ma, yeah, sorry ma. But, no, grabe talaga yung mga Sagittarius, guys. Ang tapang nila. Nakakatakot. No? Hindi pa nga galit. Nakakatakot na. Alright. So, next you have the Ace of Swords, right? You have the clarity, the truth, the new ideas, new offer, and this is also a breakthrough na paparating na magbibigay ng kalinawan sa sitwasyon ni Sagittarius. Okay? So, Sagittarius, you have a new offer from the universe. And the next, you have the Three of Wands. Si Sagittarius ay may pagpaplano. Tumitingin ka sa malayo. Why, Sagittarius? Gusto mo bang pumunta dito sa Cebu? Sabihin mo na. Si Sagittarius yung mother ko. Sinabihan lang namin na gusto ba niya pumunta dito sa Cebu? Kasi wala siyang plano eh. Hindi ko rin alam. Baka naman. Namimiss niya yung ano niya dito. So Sagittarius, huwag kang matakot for expansion. May paparating na resulta sa mga efforts mo, or darating na yung mga hinihintay mo. Sa mga Sagittarius, darating na yung hinihintay mo. Baka, yeah, you are in the port waiting for your loved ones galing sa ibang bansa. Okay? Galing sa ibang lugar. your loved ones na pinakahihintay mo, darating na siya within 48 hours. Alright, that's good. So next, you have the 5 of Wands. May competition, may conflict. Okay? Or, may ng bahay. When we say it in a positive way, may nag-construction ng bahay. When it's in a negative way, there's a conflict, right? May competition, may conflict, may arguments. Okay? So, Sagittarius, maghanda in any kind of disagreement, any kind of arguments, challenges from other people. Okay? Or maybe some of the Sagittarius may na gumagawa ng bahay, may nagpa-renovate ng bahay. Okay? So, next you have the 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Right? In reverse. So, there's a challenge. When it's in the upright, this is a challenge of financial challenge. Okay? May disagreement, may pag-aaway, but it's in the reverse, so there's already a magandang balita sa kaperahan. May pag-ahon sa kahirapan. Alright? So, may recovery sa pera na si Sagittarius within 48 hours. May recovery sa pera, trabaho, or sa kalusugan. Okay? Kung may nagkasakit, you'll be recovered na. There's a healing. At unti-unti nang gumagana ang iyong sitwasyon starting within 48 hours or starting this week, Sagittarius. Okay? So there's the meaning for these cards is you should to push it hard. You are pushed hard by the universe na gamitin yung passion at confidence mo para for the new beginning mo, Sagittarius. Okay? So, huwag kang matakot. Hindi ka naman talaga takot dito. Because ang tapang mo pa nga at confidence. Okay? Even there's a competition here, makakaahon ka sa kahirapan. Alright? So, the next card, you have the 9 of Cups. Wish fulfillment. There's a kasiyahan. Ang dasal mo ay malapit nang matupad. O, kahit ikaw lang mag-isa, you're really satisfied of yourself, of your situation. Emotionally satisfied. Emotionally stable. Right? Wala kang kaproblema-problema, Sagittarius, kahit nag-iisa ka. Okay? So, the next card, you have the Star. There's a healing. This is a clarification that there's really a healing. Healing of health, healing of scarcity. Okay? There's a healing. Pag-asa, there's a divine guidance. So, it's time for healing at you should, it's a panampalataya sa sarili at sa universe. Okay? So, don't lose hope. Meditate, pray, and ask to the universe because there's hope. Okay? There's a divine guidance. So, good. Very good. So, that's next card. You have the Death card. Pagkatapos ng transformation, there's death. Yeah, death is the ending, right? Because of after the death, there's an ending, right? Death, there's an ending, and there's a transformation. Okay? So, may mga bagay na kailangang bitawan para may bagong magsimula. Okay? That's why it's the card above the death is the Ace of Swords. Because there's a new beginning. There's a new clarity. That's why there's a transformation. After that, ending. So, next you have the 8 of Pentacles. Sagittarius, grabe ang pagsisikap mo. Yung pag-aaral mo, minamaster mo talaga. Okay? So, you have the dedication and tiyaga. Dedication, patience, is the key for the long-term success. Sabi ng card. Okay? There's a hope. Kung wala kang, Sagittarius, rather, kung parang wala ka ng feeling mo, wala ng pag-asa, don't worry. There's a long-term success sa ginagawa mo ngayon, Sagittarius. Okay? So, the next card, you have the 4 of Wands. Celebration. Okay? This is your card. This is your energy, Sagittarius. 4 of Wands. You have the celebration. You have the stability in the community. There is a celebration. Kasi, parang may ano ito, parang fiesta. Sumasayaw kayong dalawa. Dito sa, may ano, celebration. I think this is the ground of your community. Siguro may fiesta nga na dadaluhan si Sagittarius. Kasama ang kanyang community. Okay? Or, this is also a milestone na paparating na maring tagumpay sa trabaho o personal na buhay ni Sagittarius. But for me, Sagittarius, you're attending a fiesta celebration, whether it's a fiesta, a birthday, or wedding celebration, together with your neighborhood, your community, kabarangay mo, or ka-team mo. Basta may celebration na aatinan mo. The next card, you have the Ten of Cups. Kaligayahan at harmony sa pamilya. Yeah, this is the clarification of the Four of Wands. Masaya ang lahat. Masaya ang pamilya mo dahil din sa masagana na ang kaperahan mo. There's a recovery of the pera, kaperahan. Recovery of the money, recovery. Kaya, you're emotionally happy, emotionally stable, emotionally fulfilled. Okay? May happiness and harmony na sa buong pamilya. Right? So, at also may pagkakaroon ng peace, pagmamahalan, at success in your wishes. Okay? So, sa Star, Death card, and the Ten of Cups, isang malalim na healing and transformation na magbubukas ng daan patungo sa totoong kaligayahan ni Sagittarius. Wow, what a very nice spread. So, the next card is the Six of Cups. Isa nostalgia, the past connection, may pagbabalik at pag-alala sa mga tao mula sa nakaraan mo. Siguro, may mga chat ka dyan, may mga communication ka na nagpaalala na connection ka na parang magre-reconnect sa iyo from the past. Maybe they're your related long so na yun, yung malayong hindi naman malayo, para siguro mga karelasyon mo, hindi karelasyon, yung kamag-anak mo na nakikiconnect sa iyo and you remember the past, no? Yeah. So, there's a pagbabalik na mga alaala mula sa mga tao sa nakaraan or sa mga kamag-anak. For me, kamag-anak yan. Or, yeah, kamag-anak, mga siblings, mga cousins, wala, yan. The next, you have the Hangman, sacrifice, bagong pananaw. And for me, is a rest. So, kailangan mong tumigil muna at pag-isipan bago kumilos. Yon. You rest. You take a rest and nakita mo yung ulo sa Hangman, yung nag-yellow, parang nag-ano siya ba? He's thinking. While resting, he's thinking what to do. Just the color of the star. It's so positive. Okay? So, kailangan mong tumigil, Sagittarius. Some of the Sagittarius, para makapag-isip bago ka kumilos. Pag-isipan ng lahat ng mga plano mo bago ka magdesisyon. For me, that's the perfect message. Next, you have the Knight of Pentacles. There is a stability, consistency. Mabagal ito, pero sigurado, steady ang progress sa pera mo, Sagittarius. Okay? Matagal nga. Pero, at least meron. Hindi ka lugi, no? Paano ba yung mabilis naman? Pero risky naman. Okay? This is slow but steady. Slow but sure. Wow, ganda naman. Next, you have the Two of Cups. There's a partnership. There's a union in love. So, there's an agreement. No? There's an agreement meeting the two persons. They're bonding. They're having union. Okay? There's partnership. Sagittarius. Okay, next Sagittarius, you have the Moon. Maybe you have the energy of illusion. Baka your doubt, you feel mystery. Parang misteryoso sa iyo ang isang bagay, isang tao. There's a hidden truth. There's a fear. Okay? So, mag-ingat Sagittarius sa mga maling akala. Akala mo yun para iwas scam. Alright? Hindi naman kasi sa card ng The Moon, hindi lahat ng nakikita mo sa Sagittarius ay totoo. So, there are fake. It's just an illusion, Sagittarius. Kaya, pag-isipan Hangman. Pag-isipan bago magdesisyon, bago umaksyon. Okay? Because you have the Seven of Swords. There's a deception. There's a bad tactics. There's a scammer. There's a theft. There's a robbery happen. Kaya there's a mystery here. There's the hidden truths. Hidden truth. Katabi sila, Sagittarius. Mag-ingat. If this is not your energy, mag-ingat ka. Or baka ikaw yung deceptive dito. Okay? Ikaw yung gumagawa ng deception. Pinaikot mo ang tao. Okay? Pinaikot mo. Pwede. Pwede ikaw. Pwede sa iyo itong energy na ito. Okay? So, for the Six of Cups, here, the Six of Cups and the Two of Cups, and the Moon ay isang relasyon mula sa nakaraan na muling lilitaw para sa kasamang pagtatago o hindi malinaw na intensyon. Ano daw? So, yon. The challenges is you have the conflict, the illusion, hindi malinaw ang sitwasyon, pagbitaw sa luma, tanggap ng pagbabago at desisyon at kanino dapat magtiwala. Huwag kang magtiwala kahit kanino. Trust yourself, Sagittarius. Or baka ikaw ang hindi mapagkatiwalaan, Sagittarius. Okay? Now, your oracle card is the Whisper. The Whispers. So, again, your oracle card, Sagittarius, the first is the triangle. The triangle is invisible forces are keeping the energy in balance. So, this is the reminder that there's an energy. There are energy and powers na hindi daw natin nakikita, ngunit gumagalaw upang panatilihin ang balansi ng buhay ni Sagittarius. Kailangan mo magtiwala na kahit hindi mo lahat nakokontrol, may mas mataas na powers na gumagabay at nananatiling maayos ang daloy ng iyong landas. Oh, that's good. That's very nice, Sagittarius, no? You are guided. You're guided by powers. Someone have powers or maybe you're guided by the universe. May mga spirit na nag-guide sa'yo para hindi mapariwara ang buhay mo, hindi maano sa masama. Walang masama. You're protected by higher or powers kasi marami daw energy and powers na gumagabay sa iyo na hindi mo nakikita. Oh, ang ganda naman, Sagittarius. Okay, next card, you have the Whisper of the Ghost. It's pay attention to things and people that you don't normally pay attention to, and you may gain new insights. So, this message, Sagittarius, this will open your eyes and ears na sa mga maliliit na bagay or taong madalas mong binabaliwala. Doon mo makikita ang halaga or lessons or informasyon na makatutulong daw sa'yo. And the insights at sagot na hinahanap mo ay maaaring magmumula sa hindi mo inasahang lugar. Oh, Sagittarius. Baka naman underestimate. Huwag mo i-underestimate daw yung mga tao or lugar na parang binabaliwala mo. Kasi yung mga tao or lugar na parang you feel na parang hindi importante, ay doon mo makikita ang kanilang importansya para sa buhay mo, para sa sarili mo, no? Yung mga lessons, mga informasyon that you can get from them. Akala mo simple lang silang tao, pero their hidden wisdom nga you can gain from them, get from them, okay? Yun. The next card, you have the Mirror of Phantoms. There's a hidden source, fears of potentials. We need to face up to our inner worlds. Okay? So, this is a reminder na hanapin natin, or hanapin mo, Sagittarius, ang sarili mo. Oh, hanapin mo ang sarili mong anino. Ang mga lihim mong pangarap, takot, yung kakayahan na hindi mo pa lubos na pinapansin. Kapag natutunan mong kilalanin at yakapin ang iyong inner world, mas magiging malinaw ang iyong landas at mas matatag ang iyong pagkatao. So maybe some of Sagittarius, hindi mo alam kung sino po ikaw. Sino si Sagittarius. So you should know who are you, what are your powers. Okay? Because kung matutunan mo daw yung kilalanan, iyakapin mo ang iyong pagkatao, magiging ito ay to guide you to a better path or way of a strong personality, strong life. Maganda yung ang iyong pagkatao. Ito ay magiging magbibigay ng katatagan sa iyong pagkatao, brother. Next, you have the choice gate. So sometimes it pays to take risk daw. So, nga naman. Talking about risk, guys. Few years ago, when the COVID started, maybe that was 2021, talaga 2021, hindi ko akalain, nagre-risk nga ako. Bumili ako ng parang crypto. Hindi ko kayo hinihikayat na gawin mo ito. I'm just sharing my experience. That was 2020 first. Parang nagko-COVID na yon. Nasisimula yung COVID. Hindi ko akalain, lumataas yung crypto nun. Sabi ko, kasi may konti akong nandun sa coin.ph ko. Nakatagong 15,000 pesos. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, bili ko ito kasi nandun sa YouTube maraming mga influencer na influencer ng crypto, no. Nakita ko yung parang hindi ko talaga alam kung totoo o hindi. Basta ang ginawa ko, sinusunod ko yung ginagawa ng mga YouTuber doon. In a step by step ko yung ginagawa doon. So yung 15,000 ko, binili ko ng 3,000 na mga crypto. It's a new crypto, guys. It's a new meme coins. New in the market. Walang halaga. Bagong labas. Hindi ko alam na Ang ginagawa ko lang, binili ng influencer na yun, ginawa ko. Kasi maganda daw. Hindi ko alam. I don't care kung anong gagawin. Basta sabi ko, 10 years from now, when I turn to 50 years old, I'll become millionaire. Sabi ko sarili ko. So, bibilihin ko tong coins na ito para magiging milyonaryo ako pagdating ng 10 taon. Something like that. So, binili ko para 5 yon. 15,000 is 3,000 each coin. Ang dami pala. Yung iba, kasi naka early bird ako, may umabot ng 3 trillion of coins. May billions kasi medyo mahal ang coins. Pero ang dami pa rin kasi billions of coins eh. So may iba millions of coins. So yon ang nabili ko. Hindi ko akalain kasi risk daw yon. When you buy a crypto kasi wag mong just risk go yon. Pwede kang magkakapera, pwede lang ma-scam ka, pwede kang malugi. Yon ang yun ang mindset doon. But I don't kayo ng crypto. I'm just sharing my stories. Something like 4 years ago, something like that. Last 2021. You know what, guys? Pagdating ng isang linggo, I wonder why, bakit may nakita akong $1,000? Ha? Ano ba yun? Ano yan? Wallet yun ng crypto. Magkano itong $1,000? Something like that. Hanggang the next day, umaabot ito ng $2,000, umabot ng 2,500, something like that. So, nag-take risk din ako. Binibili ko, binibili ko ng ibang mga parang ginagamit ko, kinuha ko yung pera, binibili ko naman ng another bago, hinanap ko yung mga bagong bago. So, nakabili ako ng trillion na coins. Pagkatapos ng parang after 3 weeks yata yung nabili ko, dami ko nang nabili kasi parang niruling ko yung mga pera, yung mga profit. So pagka may nabili akong isang meme coins na pagdating ng 2 weeks yata yon, para pang 3 weeks na siya, pero 2 weeks pa ko siya nabili. So umabot man yun ng guys, $24,000. Ha? Pag compute ko, milyonaire na ako, something like that. Pag sinabi ko sa ano ko, yung husband ko, honey, millionaire na ako, may $24,000 na ako. So, parang hindi na rin ako makakaano, parang nervous na rin ako. Wala man kasi akong ano, wala akong high blood. Yung asawa ko, na high blood na. Hindi niya akalain na milyonarya daw ako. Bakit maging milyonarya ako? Hindi niya alam yung ginagawa ko. So, yun. Sabi niya, ay, nag-ilis na siya. Nag-ano na siya, naligo na siya. And then, nag-ano pa siya ng medicine niya sa high blood kasi na-high blood siya. Andun yun. Sabi niya, withdrawin mo yan. Ilagay mo yan sa tingnan natin kung totoo yung pera na yan. So, I wonder why bakit hindi ko ma-withdraw. Kasi gusto ko nang withdraw ng isang $1,000,000, $24,000 yun. Pagka sige, magtrabaho ka na. Sige. Ibigay ko yun sa sa mag-transfer ako. Sabi ng asawa ko, sige, mag-transfer ka kahit 5,000 para malaman ko na legit yan. may na-transfer nga ako. Pero ang akalain ko, bakit hindi ko ma-transfer yung, hindi ko ma-cash in yung $24,000. Hindi ko akalain. Yon. Nung nandun na siya sa office at for mga 8 o'clock, tiningnan ko yung ko kasi yung $24,000 naging 6 o'clock, 6:30 pa siguro yon, 6:30 in the morning. But na-stress na ako kasi hindi ma-cash in. But nung nakita ko again at 8 o'clock kasi yung mga anak ko nag-eskwela nag-cook muna ako, nagluluto muna ako, and then pag 8 o'clock nung nakita ko ulit yung wallet ko, nagiging $74,000 na. Parang mahimatay na ako kasi hindi na ako makaka-action kasi parang nawawala na yung energy ko, para akong mahihimatay talaga. Oh my God, ano ba yun? Pag naano ko maging, 3 million millionaire na ako, sabi ko. Yun, nang na-withdraw ko, hindi naman talaga kabuuan ng 3 million, pero may nakuha akong pera. Binigay ko kasi wala nang mga trabaho yung mga kapatid ko. May nakuha akong pera, binigay ko sa mga kapatid ko, and then yun, hindi ko akalain makakakuha ako ng pera. Kaya I'm taking risk. Yan ang sinasabi ko, ha. Totoo din ito, yung this is in relation to the choice gate, no? Sabi niya na sometimes it pays to take risk. Yun. Sometimes when you really believe, parang, kasi nag-meditate din ako noon, affirmation ba? Affirmation ako, and then, I'm keep on doing it, affirmation, then may ginagawa ka, may reward talaga may reward talaga tayo sa universe pag mag-take risk tayo, at saka, kumikilos din naman tayo, no? Yun, that's what I mean ba? Taking risk, may gumagana, may hindi naman gumagana, but make sure, yun, sa hangnan, pag-isipan natin daw, okay? Alright, guys, back to the video. Alright, back to the reading, rather. Okay, so next you have the the mark of the destiny. It's the fate leaves its mark on you and becomes your guide. So it means ang iyong pananampalataya and trust. Okay? Trust, tiwala sa proseso. Trust the process ang siyang magiging gabay sa'yo. Lahat ng karanasan daw ni Sagittarius, mabuti man o mahirap, ay marka ng iyong tadhana. Ito ay nagtutulak sa iyo patungo sa mas mataas na misyon sa iyong buhay. Oh, what's a very nice one, no? Yeah, the mark of destiny. In our palm, guys, we have marks here. And this is our destiny. Ang totoo yan, ha? Okay, and this is our guide. Okay? So, whether we are marami tayong sinisakripisyo, mga challenges in life, or mabuti ba yung karanasan natin, siya yun ang gabay sa buhay natin. We just trust the process by the universe. Kasi pag we trust the almighty power, magkakaroon talaga tayo ng maganda. Kasi may mission talaga tayo sa buhay. Okay? So, it's just like the choice of gate. Sometimes it pays to take risk. So, ito rin ay hindi laging tama ang mananatili daw tayo sa safe zone natin. So, we will take risk. Parang mag-action din tayo. So, may mga pagkakataong kailangan nating sumugal at magtiwala sa sarili, no? Sa pagpili ng bagong direksyon at oportunidad na maaaring magdala sa atin sa inyong mga Sagittarius ng malaking tagumpay kaysa mananatili sa dati or komportableng buhay or komportable kung saan kayo, anong ginagawa mo ngayon. So better to move daw, to take action. Try and try. Even if ma-failed man or at least when you failed, you're not really failed, no, but you learn a lesson from that failure So, the next time you move or you do action or gagawin mo yun, alam mo na yung tactics mo. Alam mo na yun paano yun paganahin. Alam mo na yun paano mo yun i-manage kung ano man iyon ang gagawin mo or ano yung mga failure na iyon. Okay? Whether it's in a relationship, kung you have a failure relationship, alam mo na yung susunod. Hindi naman yun gagawin yung ginagawa mo before na failed. Mag-ano ka naman ng ibang direksyon. Gagawin mo na yung ibang direksyon na hindi mo nagawa. Kasi yung mga failure na yon, hindi mo na yung gagawin kasi na-failed ka eh. Okay? Same with the business. No? Kasi nalugi ka, kasi ginawa mo yun, nangutang ka, magiging capital mo, so nalugi ka kasi laki ng interest. Ngayon, you do it again. So alam mo na yun, hindi mo yun nagagawin. Kasi failure yun eh. Naging failure ka na sa tactic na yun. Right? So, lumihis ka naman ng ibang direksyon. You learn your lesson. Okay? Yun. Yun ang gagabay sa'yo, Sagittarius, if you resonated this, or kung hindi man ito sa Sagittarius, to one of your family na makaka-resonate dito. Okay? And next, you have the velocity. So, we all have through a period of loneliness in our lives. So, paalala na normal na makaranas ng pag-iisa sa Sagittarius. Okay? Sa panahong ito, matututo kang makilala ang sarili mo ng mas malalim. Ang solitude or pag-iisa ay hindi parusa, kundi ang pagkakataon upang lumago at maghanda para sa mas makabuluhang koneksyon at karanasan na sa hinaharap. So, being lonely, being alone, is not a challenge. Being alone daw, Sagittarius, is to make you know better of who you are. What are you capable of, no? For your development, para paghanda sa iyong pagkatao para sa mga connection na darating sa iyo in the future daw. Okay? So Sagittarius, that's all for your predictions and messages for you this today and within 48 hours. So thank you for watching, and if you resonate this reading, please subscribe, like, and ring the bell, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and God bless you more. Thank you. Bye.